Let's start by distributing the -1 exponent with everything in the parentheses here. So I'm just going to write x to the third. And then we're going to do -4 to the -1 power. So I'm just going to write that for now. And then eventually we're going to move this to the bottom. Z to the second to the -1, multiply the exponents, that's z to the -2. And then you multiply these exponents, it's going to be x to the +3. So now we have everything on bottom. Okay, so now let's go ahead and anything with a negative exponent, move it to the bottom. Or that's anything with the negative exponent on top will move to the bottom. Anything with a negative exponent on the bottom will move to the top. So we have this x to the third. I'm going to move -4 to the -1 power to the bottom. And it's going to be -4 to the +1 power now. Z to the -2. This is z to the +2 on bottom. And then you have this x to the third that's going to remain on top. Now let's do the bottom. 4 to the -2. Move that to the top. It's going to become 4 to the +2. And then these two terms down bottom, so x to the third, y to the fifth. Okay. So now, let's come over here. We have, this is x to the sixth on top. And then 4 squared. 4 squared is 16, so I'm going to just put that in front. Over. -4 to the first power is -4. And then there's nothing to combine here, so I'm just going to write x to the third, y to the fifth, and z to the second. The last thing is just reduce. So we have 16 over -4. Now we could have the negative on bottom or on top. It doesn't really matter, but 16 divided by -4 is -4, so I'm just going to put -4 on top. You have x to the sixth, and you have x to the third. There's 3 more x's on top, so we're going to have x to the third on top. And then you just have y to the fifth, z to the second. That's still on bottom, and there's nothing you need to do with that. So this would be our answer.